Meet the first helmet designed by former SpaceX engineers in a super collapsible form factor.
The helmet implements next generation materials
And looks like a baseball hat.
My sister was riding her bike through the intersection of Park and Diamond when she was hit by a car. She spent the next 4 months in a coma.
As two engineers, we knew that if we put our heads together, we could do something about this problem. Helmets aren't worn because they're uncomfortable and inconvenient. People don't want to carry around huge chunks of foam.
It became more important now than ever to have a helmet that's comfortable, attractive, portable, and safe.
To make sure that the helmet is as safe as possible, we've done thousands of impact tests in our lab.
And not only does our helmet meet all of the federal regulations, it surpasses them. Bike share programs are growing at over 25% year over year.
More Americans are taking a bike to work than they ever have before.
There's millions of people out there that need a product like ours. The portability of being able to roll up the helmet allows you to easily carry it with you.
And best of all, provide the same or better protection as any traditional helmet. There's a really broad future for Park and Diamond. The styles and options are limitless.
We're positioned to protect as many people as possible.
With your support, we'll be able to protect millions of bike commuters every day. Please go to parkanddiamond.com and pre-order now.